Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Golden hour paints the town with glow. Street lights hum where the breezes flow. The rhythm of hearts, it's a quiet show. Feel the spark, let the magic grow. Under velvet skies, we come alive. Every step's a beat, a soulful dive. No words needed, just the vibe we ride. In this groove our dreams collide. Oh. Late night whispers, they melt the air. Shadows dancing, we're a perfect pair. Lost in the sway, without a care. Every move feels like a prayer. Under velvet skies, we come alive. Every step's a beat, a soulful dive. No words needed, just the vibe we ride. In this groove our dreams collide. Oh. The world fades out, it's just you and me. Every heartbeat's part of the melody. Time slows down, we're finally free. This rhythm's ours eternally. Under velvet skies, we come alive. Every step's a beat, a soulful dive. No words needed, just the vibe we ride. In this groove our dreams collide. shadows pick, lost in a rhythm that the heart can't fake. Every step forward, a tiny earthquake. Velvet waves rolling through my veins, soft whispers cutting through the rainbows. Hold me closer, feel the subtle glow. This time's ours, don't let it go. Golden glances under hazy lights, a quiet storm in the city's nights. Your touch speaks louder than words could shout. In this current, there's no way out. Velvet waves rolling through my veins, soft whispers cutting through the rain. Hold me closer, feel the subtle glow. This time's ours, don't let it go. We're a tide that no moon controls, gravity tethered to our souls. The clocks can run, they can chime their tune, but this love plays beneath the moon. Velvet waves rolling through my veins, soft whispers cutting through the rain. Hold me closer, feel the subtle glow. This time's ours, don't let it go. The lights are low, it's easy now. The world's so quiet, no need to bow. Our breathing slows in perfect time, a rhythm soft, a gentle climb. The evening hums a soulful tune beneath the stars, beneath the moon. Our shadows stretch in liquid air, a golden glow dances everywhere. Feel the calm, let it unfold, a softer way, a story told. With every beat, we slowly sway, winding down the world today. The moments blend with mellow hues, a moving painting, subtle clues. We drift, we flow like weightless songs, a quiet place where we belong. Close your eyes, it's safe in here. The pulse is gentle, soft and clear. No rush, no noise, no race to run. Just feel the glow till day is done. Feel the calm, let it unfold, a softer wave, a story told. With every beat, glow of a velvet moon. Whispers hum a tender tune. Shadows dance in the quiet night. Your heartbeat keeps the rhythm tight. Soft as silk, your voice appears, washing away my hidden fears. In your gaze the world feels slow, a melody where love can grow. You're the flame that warms my soul, a spark that makes me whole. Every note in your embrace is a song I'll never replace. The stars align to our sweet sway, guiding us where dreams we play. Your touch is honey on my skin, a symphony we're living in. Let's stay here where time won't chase. In this moment